Yo, what's up, boy? KSI, the GWT. Sorry I'm shirtless, but apparently there are lightning rounds, 100k packs right now as we speak. And I actually can't seem to find a t-shirt. Oh wait, we found one. Well, I need to first try and get these packs. Need to skip this fucking intro. Apparently there's like 5k left. Shit, I'm not gonna make it. Fuck, shit. FIFA, please. EA, please. King Long, how long does it take to connect to the EA servers? Fam, please. Oh, you're stressing me out. Nah, for real, I've been here for 10 minutes. It's bullshit. All right, finally, we're making progress. We're making progress. Come on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, why does everything take so fucking long? Oh my fucking, so much loading. It's 2016 and loading is as bad as fucking 1992 or something. Bullshit. All right, promo pack. Here we go. All right, 100k packs. We got some 100k packs. Let's go. Let's fucking go, lads. Come on. Ah, Pepe, really? Fucking Pepe. Holy shit. Holy shit. Shit. I just won. I can't even put on my fucking shirt. Jesus, where's the hole? Oh, my eye. Ah, it went in my eye. Ah, the number plate went in my eye. Ah, I'm so happy and pissed at the same time. Oh, that really hurt. Ah, let's go. Ho, ho, ho. Baby. All right, that's a terrible pack. Holy shit. Holy shit. All right. Okay, mother. I'm a killer. Yo, I am killing this. How many blues do I want? How many blues do I need? As many as I can get, motherfuckers. Yo, it's about fucking time I start getting some blues, man. Finally get Rippery, that will do. Oh, I love 100k pack openings, man. Oh, baby, hit me with another blue. Hit me with another blue. Hit me with a, oh, man. All right, what am I doing? Oh, my God. I just got bail. I just got fucking bail. Politics as well. Fuck me sideways and call me Sally. Come on, here we go. Oh, wait, surely. Fucking Neuer. This pack opening is phenomenal. Holy shit. Surely not another blue. Surely not. Surely not. Boom! Yo, give me some explosions. Jesus, I'm Michael Bay, motherfuckers. Is that Aguero? It's just Higuain, Bakalu with a blue. How many fucking blues is that? Dude, we have so many. We have so many, bro. Come on. Whoa, no. Come on. Another blue. Another one. Another one. DJ Khaled, another one. Another one. This is gonna be a discard pack. It's probably gonna be a blue, but I don't give a shit. I've had so many fucking blues. It's mental. Yo, I did get a blue. Yes, make me happy. There we fucking go. Yo, I've completed it. I've completed it. I've completed the fucking game, yo. Come on, man. I am the champion. Who wants some of this? Come on. Another. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, EA. Come on. You sons of bitches. Come on, man. Surely that's enough. Come on, man. That's too many good players. What's going on? You don't normally do this for me. What did I do, man? I didn't suck no dick. I didn't suck no dick. Why you? Hey, stop it. Stop it. Please! You're gonna make a black guy blush. God, yo, man's doing the Macarena. Bro, when was the last time I did the Macarena? You don't do that unless you're extremely happy, ladies and gentlemen. How many? How many? I had to fucking discard my whole fucking squad because Ditchy's an absolute twat and he can't take losing, the fucking asshole. Fuck you and your fucking small penis, you adopted twat. But anyway, another blue, another blue, another blue, another blue. Oh, no. I was actually rushing. I was like, shit, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, hi, Silver. What's up, bro? Oh, man. All right, who we getting this one? Come on. No? Nah, no one. Come on. Come on. Boom! Another blue. Another Another one bites the dust, motherfuckers. Yo.
You still opening?
Yeah, man. I just.
What did you get?
I got sober. Dude, I've had so many.
Same.
So many. It's just so easy.
I've stopped.
You stopped? Why have you stopped?
Too much money.
Really?
Too much.
Oh Jesus! Alright, this will be my last one. Alright, this will be my like last 7 or 8 packs. Nah, no one. Skip. Nah, no one. I know there's a blue somewhere. That Mudrick's alright, I'll take him. Blue. Yes! Cool! Another blue. It's kind of a dead blue now.
You have to end on a blue.
Don't do that, Simon.
You have to.
Are you fucking serious? That means I'm gonna have to spend more money.
You have to end on a blue.
Wait!
There's an inform. There's one more. There's another.
Oh, but screw it. I'm not gonna spend any more money because I've given EA way too fucking much. Oh, wait! Oh! Another blue! Another one! Dude, I couldn't fucking touch a blue when I was in Switzerland. Now I'm just getting it like it's fucking rain. Well, rain in England anyway. If you live in like Nigeria or a desert, you're not gonna get that much rain. Oh wait, dude, another blue. Another one, dude, another fucking blue. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna take my time. with it. Town with it. Oh, yes! Another blue. Should we make this a discard pack? Fuck it, it's a discard pack. Oh, thank God. Is there, oh, fuck, there's a blue. Shit. Oh, fuck it. It's another blue. I'm discarding him. Come on. Nah, dead pack. Come on, do it for me. Oh, you son of a bitch. Final one. Final pack, ladies and gentlemen. Who we getting? Oh, it's another blue. I'm very happy. Yes! Boom! Another blue. Dude, it's a fucking world record right there with the amount of blues. Holy shit, yo. Oh, baby. You know it's a good day. Yes! Been your boy KSI, the GWT. Thank you guys for watching this insane pack opening. One of the most insane, if not the most insane pack opening of my life. There's no more packs left. Peace! Please! Yes! Alright. Wait. Okay, well, that's your hit, bro. Yeah, come on, for fuck's sake.
Yes.
What
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, no. What is this? Is actually bullshit.